Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Eikon or Refinitiv for market data, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Eikon or Refinitiv for market data, begin by opening the Eikon desktop application. Ensure that you have your credentials ready, which include your username and password. On the login screen, input your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, follow the prompts to complete this step. Click the Login button to initiate the authentication process. Upon successful login, you will be directed to the Eikon dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, noting the various modules available for accessing market data. If you are using the Refinitiv Data Platform API, open your preferred programming environment. Ensure that you have the required libraries installed to facilitate API calls. In your code, set your application's credentials, which include your app key and secret. Establish a connection to the Refinitiv Data Platform using the proper endpoints. Authenticate by sending your credentials, ensuring you handle token retrieval securely. Once authenticated, you can start making requests to access the desired market data. Be sure to comply with the API usage policies and guidelines provided by Refinitiv. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section of the Eikon or Refinitiv documentation for assistance. After successfully retrieving market data, ensure to log out from your session securely. Maintain your credentials with the highest level of security to protect sensitive information. Return to the dashboard regularly to monitor updates and new features available within Eikon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.